Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will look at the baghouse operational issues caused by too much hopper dust buildup. We will discuss in the detail given below. Point number 1. Purpose of the hopper. Point number 2. The operational issue caused by hopper dust buildup is excessive. Next, we are going to understand the purpose of the hopper. A collection hopper is used to temporarily store the collected dust that is dislodged from the filter bags by the cleaning mechanism. For the baghouse to operate properly, it is essential that the hoppers are not used as storage and that the material is continuously evacuated. Next, we are going to understand the baghouse operational issues caused by too much hopper dust buildup. If material builds up in the hopper, it can cause the below operational issues in the baghouse. First issue: loss of suction at pickup points. Second issue: re-entrainment or re-entry of dust. Third issue: high differential pressure. Fourth issue: filter bag abrasion issues. Fifth issue: fires, combustible dust explosions. Next, we are going to understand the baghouse operational issues caused by too much hopper dust buildup. The first issue is loss of suction at pickup points. Excess dust buildup in the hopper. It will block off the baghouse inlet duct's suction points and cause a loss of suction throughout the system. Next, the second issue is re-entrainment or re-entry of dust. Excess dust buildup in the hopper. When high-speed air is pulled across the surface of a pile of dust in the hopper, it picks up the dust re-entrainment and throws it back at the filter bag. The effect is much like the sandblasting of the filter bags. Next, the third issue is the high differential pressure. Dust can build up in the hopper as well as in the bags and cause an unacceptable pressure drop in the system. Next, we look at how differential pressure increases excessive moisture in the gas flows. First point: moisture in the dust stream often causes dust to stick together and form a thick, wet dust cake. Excess dust buildup in the hopper. It will block off the baghouse. Wet dust cake can seal pores in filtering materials, leading to high pressure drops. Next, second point: fabric filter baghouses should operate at a minimum of 20 degrees Fahrenheit above the dew point. Next, third point: excessive moisture is the most common cause of filter bags blinding. High humidity, condensation, and leaks in the duct are typical sources. In high humidity areas, the filter should be operated under no load until air temperatures stabilize. Next, fourth point: it may be necessary to preheat and insulate the filter to avoid dew point issues. Next, fourth issue is filter bag abrasion issues. If collected dust builds up in the hopper, it directly causes filter bag abrasion, the wearing holes close to the bottoms of the bags. This happens because the rising dust levels upsets excess dust buildup in the hopper. When high-speed air is pulled across the surface of a pile of dust in the hopper, it picks up the dust re-entrainment and throws it back at the filter bag. The effect is much like the sandblasting of the filter bags. Next, the fifth issue is fires, combustible dust explosions. This can result in your airflow being blocked off and would cause a loss of suction throughout the dust collection system. This can likewise turn into a risk since there's a greater chance for combustible dust to create a dangerous explosion. Accumulation or bridging can occur with hygroscopic dust such as soda ash, lime, or limestone, which are all good at absorbing moisture. These can take up and form a connection or bridge. Bridging also creates more significant risks if the dust is combustible. I hope everyone understands the purpose of the hopper and understands that the operational issue caused by the hopper dust buildup is excessive. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.